How to fix FAB app not working. If the FAB mobile banking app isn't working, the first thing to check is the internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular or vice versa, and also make sure that you are not using any sort of VPN or proxy settings, because that could sometimes disrupt the internet connection. If you're using the FAB app on Android, just long press the FAB mobile banking app icon. Tap on the I button to come to your app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device. Then from there you can navigate to storage, followed by clear cache, and clear data only if it is not working at all, because that will reset the app, so you have to log in again. So try clearing the data. And if you're an iPhone user, try to offload the app. Go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the FAB mobile banking app and check if it has an update. If it does have an update, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.